report, and so we all need to be as knowledgeable as each other. Like, it's fine that Rito and I are the ones that research it up to this point, but it's not too late for others to.
I mean, yeah, if we can have sort of a group sort of
effort.
I mean, when we are sort of filming the thing, maybe, we can
Everyone
sort
will
of,
be there.
be there.
Yeah.
But
I don't mind speak. I mean, that's why I had Sandip try and write the speech, because it's better if he knows about it.
I remember your video the last time, so it's good.
And I think Sandip can add some comical value to the video.
Okay, so basically, David actually came up with a good suggestion about doing a Bloomberg thing.
Yeah, I like that.
So basically,
idea.
I haven't watched Bloomberg News, but I actually started writing a script yesterday. I don't know if you want to. It's the big. Where's your zip thing? Your memory card? If you put it in there, you'll read the speech. But it's actually it has a lot of silly kind of. It's quite comedy, but it's only just the beginning part of it.
So basically, what do you know about Hospira?
What I know, Hospira is a.
Sounds like hospital, but.
Okay, Hospira Inc. is a US pharmaceutical company specialised. It has 4 different arms. It does specialist injectable products. Then it does biosimilars, contracting services, and there's one other.
Why don't you
medical
be the CEO?
devices.
I mean, why don't you be the CEO?
No. I was actually thinking of just having like if you wanted, I could be asking the questions.
That's fine.
And you could be CEO. But the way I kind of started, if you go into it says questions or where is that? Maybe under project. I don't know.
I think
is that it? Interview?
There was this thing about
okay, yeah. Just read that out.
Yeah, I asked him already. He said we don't have to do it. That's just something that leads into the 5 forces. The strategic group is something that is like helps you to do the 5 forces.
Okay, so we
don't have to do anything. He said even if only SWAT and Pistol are relevant, then you only have to do SWAT and Pistol.
Okay.
I was worried too, but I asked him just today, and then I asked him like about the recommendations as well.
Okay, this was just the first part. Okay, it goes. Okay, so the broadcaster is called Jeffrey Jeffpot. Okay, so it goes. Good morning, I'm Jeffrey Jeffpot, and you're watching Imperial Business News. On today's show, we take a look at the ensuing global recession and its impact on the no-frills aviation industry. Polly Pinkpants looks at the escalating cost of the 2012 Olympics and asks, will we see a return on our investment? And Mark Bottington speaks exclusively with co-founder of failed internet dating site iCan'tPull.com to discover what went wrong. But first, in the studio, we have new CEO of Hospira Inc., Laura Lovebumps.
No, yet I don't think we can.
Laura Lovebumps. Laura, thanks for joining us.
No, I'm not going to be Laura Lovebump. Yeah, we should make it something better.
Come on, you've got to have comedy value. Got to have comedy value with that.
I'm down with it.
Laura Lovebump. I don't want my face on YouTube.
It will be forever.
Can you take it down?
It's gonna be professional.
You can.
No, but
Okay, you want.
I think you sound very professional. Why do you make a comic of yourself? Come on.
It's got to be quite creative.
Yeah, we can do it. We can have the comedy in the beginning.
Okay. How about this?
We can use the introduction. That's fine.
Okay.
But
then basically, the apart from the names, which are a bit silly, but I think they're quite American in a Jeffrey Jeffpot and Polly Pinkpants and Mark and Bottom. But the first 2 stories are normal,
Can we just say, fine, here we have Hospira CEO Jane Doe.
Yeah, okay. Look, we have Laura Lawrenson. No, Jane Doe, okay.
Yeah, or Jane Doe. Laura Lawrenson is fine, but... Or Jane Doe.
Okay, Laura Doe. Laura, thanks for joining us. Laura Bumps. I love that name. I'm saying that, I'm thinking... Actually, one second.
I tell you, Colin Love he's not the sort of person.
Yeah, and plus that is Colin's last name. Love.
Oh, yeah. No. I asked him actually in lectures. I said, can we have some comedy value? He goes, oh yeah, it would be quite nice to laugh over Christmas when he's watching it.
Okay.
I think he'll be fine with the introduction.
It's
I like.
just the very first 1 minute is just to add some like